Hi, Jason Ferris here with another TIANB training update. Everybody knows how to use a fire extinguisher, right? Sure. Well, maybe. Have you ever used one? I haven't. I think I know the basics, and if a fire broke out, I believe I'd be quite capable of putting it out with a fire extinguisher. But what about your staff or coworkers? Is your assumption of their ability worth the risk at work? That's a question only you can answer. But I'm here to let you know about an online training course that can eliminate that assumption. It's simple and effective and will ensure you and your staff or coworkers are ready to put out a fire safely should the need ever arise. The course is called Fire Extinguisher Use. Very original, right? And it's available through TIANB's e-learning system for only $49.95. You'll learn what causes things to burn, the concept of flashpoint, classes of fires, fire extinguisher labels, chemical fire extinguishers, water fire extinguishers, how to use a fire extinguisher, and much more. Here's a quick video preview of the course, and at the end I'll let you know how to access it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me anytime. My email is jason@tianb.com or call 506-458-5646 extension 105.
A bin of oil-soaked rags ignites, but an employee extinguishes the fire. A copier's wiring begins to burn, but is quickly contained. A deep fryer bursts into flames, but the chef is able to extinguish the blaze. Portable fire extinguishers provide a handy and reliable way to put out small fires before they get out of control. But to be safe, you need to know how and when to use them. Fires can break out anywhere at any time.
Charlie, there's a fire over here.
OSHA regulations, state ordinances, and local fire codes require industrial facilities, office complexes, and public buildings to have portable fire extinguishers located near all potential fire hazards. The Department of Transportation requires that all commercial vehicles be equipped with extinguishers as well. Extinguishers should be mounted on hangers or in marked fire extinguisher cabinets where they can be clearly seen. Never store an extinguisher on the floor, in a closet, or behind furniture, plants, or decorations. When a fire starts, there is no time to search for an extinguisher that works. They must be within easy reach and ready to go. Fire extinguisher inspections and maintenance should be a major part of your facility's fire prevention policy. Check extinguishers at least once a month to make sure that they are in good shape. Look them over weekly if they are located outdoors. When examining an extinguisher, make sure that the pressure gauge shows that it is fully charged. The locking pin and plastic tamper seal are in place. The hose and horn are unobstructed and in good shape, and the metal parts are free of corrosion. Never test an extinguisher to see if it is working. Once the valve has been opened, the extinguisher will lose pressure and may empty completely within a few days. You should also check the service tag to see when the extinguisher is due for a professional inspection. Fire codes require extinguishers to be inspected by an authorized service technician annually and to have their cylinders pressure tested at least every 12 years. Some types of extinguishers must be pressure tested every 5 years.
To order this course, visit tianb.com, that's TIANB.com. Click on Training in the main menu, then the Over 300 Online Courses button. I've also included a direct link to this video in the description. Remember, learn, equip, grow with TIANB training. Thanks and have a great day.